women's rights. Ms. Gates revealed her plan in an opinion piece today in the New York Times. Now, Gates, of course, pledged to use her money to help fight a host of inequalities, including the maternal mortality rates she called unconscionable. In the U.S., for instance, Black and Native American mothers face the highest risk. May, of course, is Maternal Mental Health Awareness Month, and tonight we're hearing from one New York State lawmaker who says discrimination killed her baby boy, and now she is trying to turn her pain into purpose. Here's Crystal Cranmore.
There was a point where I was saying, well, let me die, and let him survive.
Assemblywoman Rodneyse Bichotte Hermelyn considers her 2-year-old son, Daniel, her rainbow after a brutal storm. Hermelyn says a New York City hospital turned her away while she was having preterm contractions with her first son 7 years ago.
I was a victim of discrimination.
She says the baby died as a result, but born out of that loss, a resolve to make sure this would not happen again. She created the Jonah Bichotte-Cowan law in honor of her child.
It mandates hospital to not turn patients suffering or experiencing preterm labor.
Since then, the legislator has become a champion of women's health, helping New York make history as the first state to offer paid prenatal leave. The policy, part of Governor Kathy Hochul's larger plan to improve maternal and infant mortality.
Women are in an impossible position sometimes, choosing between bringing home that paycheck and taking care of their own health and the health of their baby.
The national infant mortality rate went up 3% in 2022 from 2021, the first year-to-year increase in 20 years. In New York City, Blacks had the highest infant mortality rate of 9.2 compared to 1.7 for white babies and 2.7 for Asians. A state bill, if passed, would establish an infant mortality review board to study the problem and improve services for women and babies. Hermelyn, who's of Haitian descent, also sponsored a bill that would create a maternal depression awareness campaign to improve language access.
Especially in my culture, we're not supposed to speak of lost infants.
As she continues to heal, Hermelyn finds strength from her own